Hello friends, welcome back to Weld Tech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. I am Vincent. Today we are going to discuss about the weld joints and the type of welds. Type of joints and type of welds. So let us see. As a part of welding inspection, understanding the standard welding symbols are very important. However, as a preliminary session, we should understand the types of weld and type of weld joints in welding. So, today's our topic will be types of joint and types of weld. This need to understand properly before we learn the welding symbols. This session can be a bit longer, so we split into 2 or 3 parts for your convenience. So let us start. So friends, let us start. As a part of welding inspection, it is very important to understand the welding symbols. To understand the welding symbols, one should understand the type of weld joints and type of welds. So let us discuss about the type of joints and type of welds in welding technology. Welcome again to Weld Tech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. I am Vincent again. Type of joints and type of welds. This will help you to learn the weld symbols in a better way. But we will start with weld joints and type of welds. Basically, there are 5 types of joints. These are butt joint, T-joint, lap joint, corner joint and edge joint. These 5 joint types get their name from their basic configuration. The butt joint, which is parallel to the ground, the lap joint, one upon the other one, T-joint in the shape of T, and edge joint, the edge to be welded here. This can be an angular shape also, but the welding will be done here. And this is a corner. It can be a closed corner or open corner. This is an open corner. Now let us discuss about the types of welds. According to AWS-A 3.0, there are 18 basic types of welds, and these are square groove weld, bevel groove weld, V groove weld, J groove weld, U groove weld, flare bevel groove weld, flare V groove weld. Altogether, these are known as groove welds, a major category in the type of welds. And the other main type of weld is fillet weld. And after that, edge weld, edge flange weld, corner flange weld, spot weld, seam weld, plug weld, slot weld, surfacing weld, back weld and backing weld. However, the most widely used types of welds are groove weld and fillet weld. And among them, fillet weld is the widely used type of weld. Just let us understand groove weld's configurations. It is directly linked to their shape and edge preparation. The square groove, single bevel groove, the one side is square, the other side is bevel. So it is single bevel. This is double bevel. One side is square, other edge preparation is double side bevel. This is known as square groove weld, because here there is no edge preparation. So this is square. The edges are square, and this is the single-sided one and double-sided weld. Similarly, the other one, the single-sided single bevel groove weld and double-sided double bevel groove weld. Next in the category we'll be discussing is V groove weld. Again, this is the edge preparation. The configuration of edge preparation is in the shape of V, and if it is on the single side, here the weld is done from single side, then it is known as V groove weld. And if the V is done from the other side also, then it is known as double V. This single V, and here it is double V. One V here, the other one here. Next groove weld is J groove weld. Again, single J and double J. Depends upon the edge preparation. One side it is square and the other side it is in the shape of J, the edge preparation. This type of welds are used when the plate thicknesses are high, say about 50 mm or even more than that. In such cases, going for a V groove will be economically questionable. So in such cases, the designer goes for a single J or double J, or a U groove will come later. So here is the welded piece, J groove, single side, and here it is double side. The next in category is U groove. When your material to be joined are higher in thickness, always it is better to go for a U groove weld. Single U or double U, depends upon the thickness. The other one, next one is flare bevel groove weld. One side is always a radius, and one side, the other side is square, straight. So if it is on one side radius, then it is single flare bevel groove. And here in this case there are two radius on to be welded on the other side also. So it is flare bevel groove weld, double flare bevel groove weld. This is single flare bevel and this is double flare bevel. And here it is flare V groove weld, single and double. Now let us try to understand the parts of a groove weld. This is a cross section of a V groove weld, single V groove weld. This part is known as face, or these edges are known as face. And from this point to here, it is known as reinforcement. The toe, both sides, this is the toe. And the weld size or weld leg is the thickness of the plate. As far as groove weld is concerned, that will be the equivalent to thickness of the plate. The weld size is equal to thickness of the plate. And this is the fusion phase, and this is the penetration, the depth of fusion or depth of penetration, and this is the root reinforcement, and this is the root. Okay, friends, I think here we will end with our part 1 of the types of joints and type of weld. We will be back with remaining parts very soon. Until then, goodbye. See you in next. Okay, see you in next. Until then, goodbye.